Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Carmi here today to do a little science with you. What you need is your pencil and eraser, and then you also need your science workbook. And we're opening up to pages 2 and 3, and you'll see a train, and then you're going to see all of these animals going around on the train, okay? We're going to take a train ride to the zoo, around the zoo. All right, so today we are going to take a trip to the zoo. Just like scientists, we're going to make observations. When we're making observations, we're going to look for patterns. What kind of animals do you think that we're going to see? Well, if you take a look at your train on your pages 2 and 3, it looks like we might see a parrot, a crocodile, a giraffe, all different types of animals at the zoo. Put your finger on your nose if you've been to the zoo before. Think about the animals that you may have seen at the zoo. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this video and we're going to ride the train around the zoo. It's going to stop at different places. Each place will have a different kind of animal. And what you're going to do is after we make each stop, on the lines underneath of each animal, you're going to write something that you notice or observe about that animal. Welcome to the zoo. Let's ride the zoo train. If you make any stops, each stop will be from a different continent. Do you hear the train whistle? It's time to go. All right, boys and girls, now what you're going to do is you're going to look on your pages and you see where it says the parrot. Now what I want you to do is, you are going to, sorry, I had to plug my computer in. You are going to write something you observe about the parrots. So you might write that they are yellow and blue. Or you might write that they have black beaks, or you might write that they can squawk or are loud. Or you could just write that they're a bird. So underneath number 1, what you're going to do is now you're going to write what you observe about the parrots. Now, if you need to spell something, you need to break it down and spell out the sounds, okay? This isn't a spelling test, so however you can listen to the words, that's how you should just try to spell it, okay? Now you might want to pause me so that you can finish writing about the birds because I'm going to click so we can go to the next animal. There's the train whistle again. Let's continue our trip. Look at these crocodiles. What do you see here? So now what you're going to do is, you can pause me to do this. I want you to write underneath number 2 on the crocodiles on your page 2, something that you've noticed about the crocodiles. You might want to say sharp teeth, or you might want to say that they're brown, or that they have rough skin. The train whistle is blowing. Time to go. Next stop are the giraffes. What do you see? How do the giraffes look? Are they exactly the same? All right, go ahead and pause me so that you can write what you notice about the giraffes. You could write that they are orange or speckled, that they have long necks, that they're eating, whatever you think you notice about giraffes. Let's stop by the water to look at the sea lions. What do you see here? How do the sea lions look? All right, write your observations about the sea lions. You might want to say that they can swim, that they have flippers. Oh no, what are these elephants doing? What do you see? Why is there a fence behind the elephants? How do the elephants hide? All right, go ahead and pause me and write your observations about the elephants before we move on. Super. Let's talk about flamingos. What do you say? They look different to me. I see a lot of pink flamingos, but this one back here looks like he has a lot of black feathers too. That's very interesting. I'm also noticing that they have long legs and a lot of feathers. We're in the bat area. What do you say? How are the bats alive? Are they all exactly the same? Let's go to our final stop. Finally, let's look at these lands. What do you see? It looks like that's the end of the All right, boys and girls. So you should have also, you can go back and also write your observations of the bats and the meerkats, okay? All right, make sure you put this back in your backpack so that your teacher can check it the next time you're in school. All right, goodbye, my little scientists.